crayons, brushes, colored pencils.
Hey Goldie Squad, it's Ruby, and we're heading back to school. So let's boot up for this bot battle. Our first Goldie Squad maker is Kimaya. Her favorite toy is a plush fox she got from her uncle who lives in Alaska. She loves to read and is obsessed with requiring. Ditto. She can play piano by ear and wants to learn how to play guitar next. Today she's repping her fave back to school supplies with a robot made out of colored pencils. Our opposing Goldie Squad maker is Mayla. She has a dog named Willow who's currently pink and loves to sneak off with her favorite toy unicorn, which she named Uni. She loves doing DIYs with the help of her little sister and wants to be an artist when she grows up. She's definitely on the right track because today she made a robot made out of crayons. Now it's time to meet our back to school robots. Introducing the Rainbow Wall of Happiness.
Her home was very peaceful, and one day evil cats came and destroyed it with sadness. So she built the Rainbow Wall of Happiness.
Let's see what our Goldie Squad judges think about this.
Hey Maya, this is awesome. I love it so much. The unicorn's up in like a tower of color, which I think is the best energy you need to bring when going back to school. Why are colored pencils better than crayons?
There's just so much more precise. Crayons, they always leave these like marks.
I'm here for the colored pencils and the crayons.
First of all, I'd like to say that I love the lights that you put on. What did you use to hold your robot together?
Originally, I just wanted colored pencils upwards, so I put a cup in the center, and that worked a lot better.
It's very clever to use the cup.
I love your bot. It's so colorful. It's like a unicorn explosion. So that's literally me. I wish you the best of luck.
Let's meet our next back to school robot. Introducing the Spy Underwater.
The shark's name is Evan, and aliens abducted him, and those were crab aliens. Now he has 3 eyes, and he has a bow.
You know a girl loves a good squishy. I also hear that you have a unicorn named Uni. I have one too. We're like twins, and I love that.
So Evan was abducted by crab aliens. Excellent. And how does Evan plan to win this battle?
He wants to fight the unicorn because he doesn't like unicorns.
Not everyone can like a unicorn.
I love your robot. It's so creative, especially how it moves. Can you explain a little bit how your robot moves?
The motor in the back, it has a glue stick on it, and I used hairbrush handles and I glued them on. I used wood sticks in the back for the legs.
Well, that's awesome. I hope you and Evan and all of his friends have good luck.
You're confident you're gonna win.
I like unicorns, but they don't, so they'll probably win.
Why do you think it's gonna win?
I have brain power.
We love 2 confident queens. Let's get into the bot battle. This battle's about to get bold and bright. Get your artsy bots ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it looks like already. Spy Underwater just couldn't resist that slime, and they're like, you know what, we just need to take a dip real quick. So it looks like we have a winner, the Rainbow Wall of Happiness! And the Goldie Squad has 2 new artsy awesome members. And Mayla gets the honor to jump the bucket of fun on today's winner. Thanks for watching, and to keep the winning spirit going, make sure you check out the Crayon Collection. It's a program that collects crayons that would usually be thrown away and donates them to schools in need. Check out the link below for more info and to donate if you can. Thanks for watching, and make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below. What's your favorite part about going back to school? See you guys next time. Bye!